When we deal with a home warranty company, our customer, we're actually working for the home warranty company and not the customer, the homeowner. And that oftentimes puts a little conflict between us and the homeowner, because now we're the face of the home warranty company. We go out there, we diagnose the system on behalf of the home warranty company. If the system needs to be replaced or a portion of it replaced, we tell the home warranty company what happened, why it's bad. We take pictures, take notes. They ask lots of questions regarding what happened to the system, what the least expensive way to replace or repair the system is. And most of the time, it's to replace a part of the system. So even when a major component like a condenser, compressor, coil, or furnace goes out, the home warranty company